我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say to cook in Mandarin Chinese. How do you say to cook in Mandarin? Actually, there are 4 ways to say so. That's a lot. They are 做菜、做饭、煮菜、煮饭. Okay, that sounds really a lot. So which one do we use the most often? To be honest, I don't know. We use them equally the same frequent. But there are some ways you can remember those 4 vocab. First one is 做饭. 做饭. 做 means to do. 饭 is rice. Literally, to do rice means to cook, right? And the next one is 做菜. 做 also means to do, and 菜 it means vegetable. Especially when we're talking about 菜 in Mandarin, we think of that as a green, leafy vegetable. 菜. So 做菜 means to cook. 做饭做菜. Let's move on to the next one. 煮饭. 饭 is rice again. What is 煮? 煮 means to cook. Do you see 4 dots under the character 煮? It's a symbol of fire actually. So 煮 means to cook. 吃屋煮, 煮饭 to cook. Another one is 煮菜, also means to cook. Cook vegetable to cook. So there you have it. 做饭做菜煮饭煮菜. It's up to you to use any of them as long as you're happy. But in my opinion, you have to learn all of them in case that when you're having a conversation to the native speaker, they probably say 煮饭煮菜做饭做菜. How do we use this vocab? If I want to ask a person, do you know how to cook? Can you cook? 你会做饭吗？你会 you know how to. 你会做饭吗？ Do you know how to cook? 你会做饭吗？ And do remember that those 4 vocab 煮饭煮菜做饭做菜 they are all verb object. If you don't know what is verb object, it's a very important concept. I strongly suggest you to study on that. You can watch the video lesson either on my Patreon or on my Teachable course. It's an absolute beginner's course. The link is down below. Okay, so 你会做饭吗? If you want to say I'm really good at cooking, you could say 我很会做饭. 我很会. 会 means know how to. 很 is very. So I very know how to. 我很会做饭. Or 我很会煮菜. Okay, I really know how to cook. So now you have a phrase. If you want to express that I'm really good at something, you could say 我很会 doing something. Okay, 我很会做饭. 我很会煮菜. Since that this is a verb object verb, 做饭做菜 means that you can separate them. So you could say 我不会做中国饭. 我不会 don't know how to. 做中国饭. So 做饭 I separate that. Literally means to do Chinese rice, means to cook Chinese food. Okay, so 我不会做中国饭. I don't know how to cook Chinese food. Or you could also say 我不会煮中国饭. 我不会煮中国饭. As you can see that no matter my sentences is, you can always change 4 different vocabulary. They are totally interchangeable. A lot of my students have been asking me, Katrina, how do you say food in Mandarin? How do you say food? And then my first reaction when I hear this question, I'd be, what do you want to say? Can you tell me what you want to say in English first, so maybe I can give you appropriate translation words. If you want to say Chinese food or American food or Japanese food, and then you check the dictionary, they probably give you the word 食物 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 means food, right? So you say, Japanese food 日本食物日本食物 Alright, if you say 日本食物 as in Japanese food, we understand. As a native speaker, we understand, but we won't use that. But if you want to say Chinese food or Japanese food or dishes, you could say 日本菜 It means Japanese food, especially means Japanese dishes. 日本菜 That's what we would say as a native speaker. 日本菜 Or you could say 日本饭 So 菜 饭 Here all means dishes, cuisine. Okay? 日本菜日本饭中国菜 Chinese food 中国饭泰国菜 Thai food or 泰国饭 Thai food. So that's how you say food in this context in Mandarin. So let's make a sentence. If you want to say I like to eat Thai food, that would be 我喜欢吃泰国菜我喜欢吃泰国菜 I like to eat Thai food. 我喜欢吃泰国饭 Or you can say this. Another example is when you walk into the restaurant and you want to tell your friend, the food in this restaurant is really good. So the food in this restaurant is really good. So 这里的东西很好吃 So I use 东西 Wow, you never thought that we could use 东西, right? 东西 means thing and objects and stuff. 这里的东西很好吃 So you walk into the restaurant and then you tell your friend 这里的东西很好吃 So the things here are really good. 这里 means here, right? Means in the restaurant. So assuming that you are in the restaurant already, or you're pointing to a specific restaurant, you can also use 这里. So 这里的东西很好吃 Or you want to specifically to say the dishes here is really good, you could also say 这里的菜很好吃 Remember, 菜 means vegetable, also means cuisine and dishes. 这里的菜很好吃这里的菜很好吃 When do we say 食物 food? I think 食物 sounds more formal, so we use that maybe like processed food, organic food, stuff like that, very formal context, we use 食物 Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want to watch this video lesson and more video lesson, download the PDF file of this video lesson. You can join me on my Patreon or just purchase my course, become my lifetime student on Teachable. All the links are down below. Thank you for watching. 谢谢你们，我们下次见，再见。